Yeah, I've been testing this SweetLF electric razor in the last week, and so I can really tell you a lot about it. It's a very interesting electric shaver, definitely, and at least as of spring 2026, it seems like it's a very trendy electric shaver. Of course, I have to admit that I got it from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true, and you can see the results live anyway during this video. So what we get here is a really nice, stylish razor, I would say. Is very easy to hold in the hand, no matter if it's left or right side. And if you need to apply a little bit more pressure, for example, you want to use it while showering, even with soap or so, when it can become very slippery, you can hold it even like that. I did that for my body shaving and it worked absolutely awesome, never slipped away, because otherwise it would be a little bit slippery. I have to tell that. As long as it's dry, absolutely no problem, but when it's full of soap, then I would highly recommend to hold it somehow like that. Then you shouldn't have any problems. It's also nicely protected here for traveling. For example, at home I leave it just open so it can easily dry. And now we have one of the absolutely awesome things. We have this button here which I can just press and then we can open. That's super convenient after shaving because it has a pretty large compartment here to keep everything like the clippings and also, for example, shaving foam or so, which it has been collecting here. So it has a lot of space here inside. That's good because some of the razors, they have very small compartments, and then after short time sometimes they are getting full and then they are slowing down. That's not happening. Also probably due to the very strong motor here inside, I've never noticed any slow down. That's also very good. And for me also the very low noise level of this SweetLF electric razor is a great plus, so I can very comfortably shave also close to the ears or even the outside of the ears if needed. What we also have here in the back is this extra blade. You can see that here. It's even a pretty wide one, and this blade is cutting absolutely awesome. Really super sharp. I've tried this on both sides already and that worked really amazing. Also washable, like the whole thing can also just clip it down. Yeah, I really like it. I mean, of course, what we don't have are any extra attachments. I mean, this one we already have, but there are no nose trimmers or something like that if you like, but usually I've never used them when I got them with other razors, so I'm good with that. Absolutely no problem. What I also like here is the capability to be recharged with USB, and it can be recharged pretty fast in only about 1 hour, and then it can last for about 2 hours. And we can see the charge here. You can hear now it's running, and we can see the charge level in 5 different levels. Maybe not super easy to see the detail, like the number on it, but the bars are really easy to see no matter if you're wearing glasses or so, even in the shower. That's pretty convenient. And to charge, of course, we get also this charging cable, and we get also this cleaning brush, but usually it has been easy to just open, wash it, rinse it, close it again. And of course also the shaving procedure itself has been working really good, and I think one of the factors of the positive things is also how flexible this is. I don't know if you can see that. This is absolutely amazing how flexible these blades are. Maybe we can even see them here inside. When they are open, you can see these axles here can be pushed really deep inside. Super flexible. Yeah, I really love this opening. It's actually the best opening I've seen. Some other brands are using now magnetic openings, and I always thought that's going to be the best thing. but this mechanism with this push button is actually even much easier and much better because it prevents misalignment after putting it back. As far as I know, blades are supposed to last around a year or so, maybe can last even longer with wet shaving. And in case you need to do that, the whole thing is very easy to remove. You can see that here can be removed in seconds and then reapplied everything again. Doing that even right here in front of the camera, you can see everything back where it should be just in seconds. But then of course you also want to know how it's performing when you are shaving your beard, and I have to tell, yeah, unfortunately it was only around average. I was expecting maybe some super aggressive cutting or some super smooth cutting, something maybe like which I had with the Freebird, but it wasn't anywhere close. But of course on the other hand we have to know with the Freebird they expect you to switch or replace the blades every month, which is pretty crazy. I would say that's something which I'm not going to do, would be way too expensive. And so these blades, as far as I know, are supposed to last at least even a year. And if you're a little bit careful, maybe only shaving wet, then they could last maybe even couple of years. So total different thing. But of course you have to know it's maybe not the most aggressive cut and maybe not the smoothest, but on the other side it has really removed all the hair, which is really nice. With some other electric shavers I've seen some hair remaining. Here I couldn't find any remaining hair, not even in difficult areas here. That's also something which is really nice. I mean, it's definitely not perfect, but I think the whole package itself makes it still pretty unique. Also when we consider the price and what we have here extra, this super convenient opening, that's something which you will really like. I mean, of course, on the other hand, we have to know this opening is usually needed at the end of the shaving. I've seen some other electric shavers which I've been able to hold just under running water, let them run, and then they were perfectly clean. I don't know why. Here with this one, there was always a little bit of shaving foam down there, but I almost liked it because it's so much fun to just open, wash away the stuff and close it again. So don't get me wrong, definitely not a bad thing. And there's definitely a reason why so many people are now buying this electric razor. At least I can confirm that you definitely cannot go really wrong with this set here. And so I'm also going to use it now for a while to see how it performs on the long run. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this electric SweetLF razor, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.